How to search a string in Python. Suppose you have a long string and you want to find a specific substring within the string. So in that case, you can use the inbuilt method of strings, that is find method, to locate the substring within the string. So for that, the syntax is first the string and dot find, and in the brackets you enter the substring that you want to find and the start and end of the string. If the start and end is not mentioned, uh, the whole length of the string is considered as the start and the end of the string. The starting point will be considered the 0th index of the string, and the end of the string will be considered as the whatever the length of the string is. So now suppose I have this string s1 which is equal to hello everyone. This is a string. Now I want to find the substring this within this whole string. So I write f is equal to s1 dot find, and in the first place I write this. So now I can write the start and the end. So I write 0 comma 0 comma the length of the string s1 minus 1. So now if I print f, it will tell me the index on which this is. So it says 15. You can so just to cross check this, I will write s1 and 15 and it prints t. Okay, so from here it will print this, I think. So I'll just slice the string over there. So just to confirm that we have found it on the 15th index. So yeah, I sliced it and exactly this it is shown. So now now there's another option where I don't write the start and end of the string, and now I print f. Here again it will give me the correct value, that's 15. So now let's search for a substring which is not there in the string, that we know is not there. So I've written hey. So it returns -1. -1 it says when it has not found the string within the substring, if it has not found the substring within the string anywhere. So you can use an if loop to see whether it has found the string or not. So if f is equal to -1, that time we'll see substring not found. Otherwise, it means that we have found the substring, and we'll just print the location where it is. So this is how we wrote a basic program to find the location of a string, and if it is not there, it tells the user that the string is not present.